Hello everyone. Today what we are going to build will look something like this. I'll show you a preview of this one. We have designed this entire login screen from updating the swing components, and we have disabled the decorated part, which provides the close, minimize, and maximize operations. And we have designed a custom close operation and a custom look for that also. And we have implemented a logo on the left, and the cursor changes when you hover over the close operation button, and when you close this it looks like this. So let's get started. So we will be adding 3 panels. One panel will be the core panel, and we'll be adding 2 sub panels within that panel, and all those children panels will have a layout of absolute. In fact, we should we'll reduce the size for now. Currently we're not focusing on the layout size. Our aim is to fit all these things into that component. So now that we have 2 segments, sometimes Netbeans behaves very badly, especially on the Mac. I read about this bug that fine. We'll change the background of this one to white color for now, and then we'll change the background of this one to something different, maybe like a dark gray color. And this one would, I think, suffice the design requirement. And then we'll start customizing few things. First of all, we need to place another label into this label. The size will be very small. Its background color is going to be bright red, and we'll resize to exact size letter. The background color, we are not concerned about the background color. We'll change the foreground color so that our X looks like a close button. And then we'll also change the cursor. Cursor will be hand cursor. And the other thing that we need to change is the font size. We're not going to change so it is more like a square box, and I will place it exactly here. Now we'll take this one, and one thing that we need is the horizontal alignment. We'll place it as center. We'll take this one in place inside this. Fine. Now we will add an event listener to this. Mouse, click event listener, and then we have this event listener. So whenever a user clicks, we need to close this. I know that system.exit is not the best option to close a frame, but we'll do the job. The idea here in this video is to demonstrate the possibilities of customizing the GUI components of Swing. And now that we have almost completed the we will customize these input fields. We'll change the background color to match to something a little lighter to the background. And what we also need to change is the foreground color so that whatever the text is entered should be visible. And I think we should also change the color of the caret. And we are done for this one. And let's change the foreground color of this one also. Foreground color. And one last thing is the caret color. Okay, so we'll save this and we'll move to the next section of designing the left component. We'll add a label here. It should align to the parents. Change the text, and then we will add an icon image to this label. So let's run this code and see if it works. We get an output like this, but as we can see that the default title of the window or UI is also present, and we need to disable this one. So to do that, let's close this one and go to the frame and right click on the properties, and then go to the decorated property of the JFrame. Set it to true. The name of the property is undecorated and we need to enable this one, and we'll save this and then once again. So as we can see that the title of the window has gone, and now we can test it out. So the username that we have set earlier is example and the password is just plain password, and when we enter this we get a success message. We can also use the secure login button also, other than entering the password field after entering the complete password. So this time we'll press secure login and the same result appears. Let's change the password and test it, and the usual behavior which was expected has been shown, which means that login has failed and username and password do not match. This completes the tutorial on the customization of the login screen. In the next part, we'll be authenticating the users from a database, and we'll be using the MySQL. In the next part of the video, we will be using MySQL database for user authentication. Thank you for watching.